One.
Good morning, Sanswara. How do you do? Good morning, Krisa. I am doing great. Thank you. And what about you? I am okay. By the way, you had been absent several days. What happened to you? I had been suffering from common cold and fever. Oh, you missed a good many classes? Yes, it is. But my mom tried to make it up at home. By the way, you all enjoyed the classes, didn't you? Yep, but we miss you lots of here. We heard about our first annual sports. My pleasure, I missed all of you too. Yes, Tada, I heard about the sports. Of course, we'll be enjoying it greatly. You know, I like to play magician, running, football, and so on. And what about you? Well, running is also my favorite one. Besides, I like to play football, discuss throw, and so on. Nice to talk to. Thanks for giving your time. My pleasure. I like to talk to you too.